Hey guys, it's Chase again here. Hope you guys are all doing well, and today we're just going to be going over the recent moves I've made in my around $11,200 stock portfolio at only 16 years old. Alright, so our first position here, I bought 5 shares of iShares Russell 1000 Growth ETF, and we bought in at $225.56. And I didn't exactly time today's market perfectly, so we're already down $2 today, but we're really looking for long-term growth. And as you can see by this compound interest calculator, with $1,000 starting balance, which is less than I've already invested, and only putting around $500 in every month, which is about a third of what I'm actually investing each month, I would have over $3 million by the time I retired, if I retired at the age someone normally does. I also bought into VIG here, which is another ETF that I really enjoy investing into. I bought 5 shares at $130.66. They've got a really great growth recently, and I'm already up $4.59, which is pretty good for only being in it a day. And they've got a higher dividend here than the Russell 1000, but just to stay even further diversified, I figured I'd buy into both of them. And I'm expecting a little bit better growth out of the Russell 1000, which is why I put more money into that. But I really like VIG's higher dividend. Alright, now moving into some of my riskier investments. My guy Jeremy Financial really loves cake, as I'm sure you guys know. Not that cake, but specifically the Cheesecake Factory, or ticker symbol cake. And I bought into this today at around 28.42, and I bought 30 shares for a total value of $852. And although I was unaware that they were up around almost 5% today, I still bought in and happened to end the day up $3.97, or about a half a percent, which was pretty good. Alright, and my last position I purchased today was 30 shares of SCHN, which stands for Schnitzer Steel. That's kind of hard to pronounce. Which came in at a total of $585 today. And I really have a lot of faith in this company. They're almost $5 off their high on the year to date. They got pretty beat up around March due to the coronavirus because they had to shut down. But I really have a lot of faith that as recycling and scrap metal becomes more important as we move towards greener recycling options, Schnitzer Steel is definitely going to benefit from those. And with their high dividend, it's only going to reap more rewards. Alright, and although my portfolio is definitely growth stocks and value stocks and long-term ETF growth, I also want to touch on my dividend growth for my $11,200 portfolio, which comes in around 2.6%, which yields me about $263 of annual income. And although I'm definitely more focused on high growth, I do believe that investing in blue chip stocks or ETFs with high dividends like that VGT or VIG is definitely a very successful strategy that I plan on implementing going forward with my portfolio. And I'm definitely trying to get as high dividends as I possibly can without risking any sort of dip in my stock choice, such as AT&T or ticker symbol T, which although I haven't really earned any money on and I've actually maybe lost a little bit, they pay a very high dividend. So going forward, I plan on adding another $1,000 to my account, which should hit tomorrow, and then investing around $750 every other week going forward until about a couple of months, which my goal is to have $15,000 invested. I plan on updating you guys on what I plan on investing my $1,000 with tomorrow. But until then, please subscribe if you guys like my content I'm putting out. I plan on posting every other day or every 3 days as my portfolio grows. And I'm really hoping you guys enjoy watching the steady growth of my portfolio, where unlike many current financial famous YouTubers who already have a $3 million portfolio and $10 million invested in real estate, you're firsthand going to see how I've grown my portfolio from a measly $5,000 to hopefully millions of dollars one day. Alright, so if you guys could drop a like below, I definitely greatly appreciate it. It helps out the channel a lot. And thank you guys so much. See ya.